Welcome back to this week on the product development desk here at Survival Frog. This week we have a brand new product that we want to show you. It is called the Stormproof Fire Kit. As the name indicates, the casing that it comes in is stormproof, which means it is waterproof, it also floats, it is crush resistant and dust resistant as well. Comes with the carabiner you see attached here. Inside the kit, first item we have is the Lightnin Flame Firestarter. We recommend using 1/3 of this, and in conjunction with our Magnesium Firestarter, just one strike with the starter and that will light right up. Brings us to our next item, the Magnesium Firestarter. This can light over 5,000 fires just with one starter. Unique with this one, it comes built in with a compass and rescue whistle. Next we have our Weatherproof Matches. Comes in a waterproof container. Twist right off. Fun things about these matches is you can dip them underwater and then strike up a fire immediately. Last, we have the Pyropac Fuel Gel. This is an excellent source for emergency ongoing fire. Great to put underneath water that you are trying to boil in a survival situation. And there we have it, the Stormproof Fire Kit. To learn more, visit us at the link below.